Hey, how you doing? This is Deonte Burden. Hey, I want to address the issue where I hear a lot of times people talking about how they want to be great and how they want to be successful, how they want so many great things for themselves and their children. And I don't think people realize in order for you to be great, in order for you to be successful, one thing got to happen. You got to make sacrifices. And that's probably the common denominator with a lot of people that are successful and people that aren't successful. How much they're willing to sacrifice. That may be time, money, sometimes happiness, but because basically, if you see yourself in the current situation and you want to be at another point in the future, you or your family, you have to be realistic about the things that you got to give up to get there. Because everybody says the same thing. And typically everybody's in the same situation, you're working, you got this and that going and stuff like that. And only the difference is the person that has it and the person that doesn't has it, one of them sacrifice more. So that's one of the things people have to be very well. If you want to be successful, you want to achieve great things in life for you and your family, you guys have to be ready to make some hard sacrifices. There are going to be some things you can't attend. Some vacations may be missed. There may be some things you can't do at Christmas. There may be a lot of things, clothes you can't buy. You have to be realistic. You know what you're willing to sacrifice. You might have to get rid of that car. You may have to move. You may have to downsize here to make a big upgrade later on down the road. What are you willing to give up? That's what you got to ask yourself. So again, just to answer that question, people asking what do I need to do to be successful. Of course, you have some things you have to do for mentally. You have to check within yourself, but you got to ask yourself, what am I willing to sacrifice? What are we willing to give up right now to make us in a better place later on? Again, this is Deonte Burden, host of Changing Lives. Hey, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can also make sure you hit that blue man in the bottom right hand corner. We have a lot of good videos on the channel, and tune into our show, Changing Lives, every Thursday at 8 p.m. See you guys then. Take care.